There it is. It is the water heater. I got this water heater, almost a year ago. And now it's finally working. I've had it installed since, let's see, it would have been November-ish. And right now it's mid-March. So it's been a while. It's been a while. But anyway, I used PEX throughout the house. They're tiny, and this is my water system that I have at the moment. I got a 30-gallon tank down here, and then I've got some different shut-off valves that I was able to plumb into it. And then I've got a water. Let's see here. I've got a filter, and then it runs into the pump. I've got a 110 pump. My system's 110, but it also incorporates some 12 volts, so I'll go through that. And then I've got the accumulator. That thing's pretty neat. And then it all goes back into and charges into the system and keeps it pressurized. So it's I don't have any kind of weird flutter or that pulsating thing with the pump because of the accumulator. There's a bladder in there that I inflate via the nozzle here, the stem, just like an inner tube for a bicycle or a tire or a car tire. Anyway, what it does is when the pump is going and making that sound as it's pumping, this regulates it so it doesn't come out the shower end, which here, let me show you that. All right, here's the shower I built. My camera, sorry, I can't get it, so I'll have to pan down. So I used copper penny steel roofing that I got at the roofing supply. And I wanted a copper shower originally, but I didn't have the money for that, and I don't know how to do copper stuff. That was kind of what I was working toward. But anyway, I ended up tiling the floor. I've got a drain here. Someone was wondering what the drain looked like. So that's the drain. I've got my hair catcher. And then I did some travertine. I did a travertine seal. Oops. Let's see if I can show you what it looks like. And I got some different coping, different things, and I put it in. Well, it's so light in here. Don't have a whole lot, but anyway, that's what I did. And then I grouted everything. There's some cool grout. It comes in a bucket that I was able to use, and I'm pretty happy with it. It's elastic, or it has an elasticity in it, so it won't crack. There's my shampoo and my different conditioner and soap. But anyway, yeah, this is my my shower. Here, I'll just turn it on for a second. Yay! There's two heads, one big, one small. It comes off, and there's all that. So yeah, that's that's a shower. But anyway, back over here, I want to give you a little bit of a rundown on what I experienced. So if any of you are looking to do your own or just don't know what to do, I'll let you know what occurred with my experience. So when I purchased my water heater, it was 110. I looked at that as the power source would be 110 volts. And I didn't know that I needed to have any kind of 12 volt system involved. I just assumed it would be just this. I just plug this in and then it would work. I didn't know any of the other things that I needed. So I needed to purchase this switch. And this was, it's powered by the 12 volt. And it's 10 amps, everything in there. So I needed to also get this switch and then this AC to DC converter. And it is a 10 amps. It's a 10 amp system that cost me like under $15. And then this I think was probably around 10 bucks, 15 bucks. I spent, oh, I don't remember how much on all the wire and different. Oh, I need to get a plug and other things. Um, so those are the things that you need to have and to make it all work. And then, yeah, don't forget. I told you I got this installed around November. I think I told you that anyway. And now it's mid-March because it took me that long to get this piece and that piece, and then there was a whole bunch of procrastination. So yeah, take it for what it's worth. That's what I did. But anyway, I'm very happy with it now that I'm able to use it. It turns on really easy and good. Yeah, and then I've got my gas canisters. They're turned off right now. There's no fuel going into the system. But anyway, so that's what I got. Thanks for watching.